Hello everyone, I am Harsh Patilar and today we can see how we can plot different types of graphs in Python using Jupyter Notebook. So watch video till the end because I have the world best project on data analysis. In this project you can see the one USP which stand out you in front of crowd. So let's start our video. सबसे पहले तो हमने numpy एंड matplotlib को इंपोर्ट करा। उसके बाद हमने डिक्शनरी क्रिएट करी जिसे डेटा वेरिएबल में स्टोर करा। देन वी क्रिएट अ डिफरेंट टू वेरिएबल्स कोड्स एंड वैल्यू। इन कोड्स वी कैन store the value of keys which are C, C++, Java and Python, and in values we can store the values of dictionary. Then in next line we can create a different variable which is fig, and in fig we can store the figure function which is present in the matplotlib. Then in next line we can create the bar plot. In bar function we can see there are 4 arguments. First quotes, then value, then color, then width. I choose pink as a color because it's my favorite color. In next line x label we can put quotes offered. This will show in the x-axis of our graph. This is also a inbuilt function of matplotlib. Then in y label we put number of student enroll which is shown in the axis of y. In dot title function we put student enroll in different courses which is shown in the top of our bar chart, and at the end we show our output. This is our output of bar chart. Now we can see how we can create the contingency table in our Jupyter notebook. Firstly, we can import NumPy, then pandas, then matplotlib. Now run this code. This is successfully compiled without any error. In next line we can create the variable data. In this variable we can store our CSV file with the help of read CSV function which is already present in pandas. In next line we can print the top 10 values of our data using head function which print top 10 values of our CSV file. Easily compiled without any error, and you can see top 10 values. In next line we can use description function which give mean, mode, count and total number of entry in our CSV file, and total count is 372 and mean is 2.6. And in next line we see the next function which is info. It contains information about our data. You can easily see that there are no null value present in our name and number of skill badge, so our data is clear. Now our task is to plot a histogram in a very simple way. So firstly, as we usually do, we can import our matplotlib, then we can import our seaborn. Now run it. Successfully compiled. In next line we can load the iris data in the variable called data which store our iris data. Then we can print our data. Run it. You can clearly see our top 5 data of the table. Now plotting of histogram is written here. We can plot histogram using the data which is given above. We can use first petal length, in second we use sepal length. In legend we can set the location upper and right. In next line we can write title with overlapping. Next we can show our data. Now run it. Our histogram is successfully created with petal and separate, but one issue is there. The petal and sepal length is overlap to each other. To overcome this problem, we can do or add alpha value in both petal length and sepal length with 0.5. After writing alpha value, we can run this again. Now you can easily see the output, which is easily visible petal length and sepal length separately without overlapping each other. Plotting of histogram is successfully created.